So this is the look for today. Blue smoked simple winged eyeliner. This look is super easy to do. All you gotta do is keep watching. Let's create this beautiful look together. Today I'm gonna be using everything that I've received in this box from Fenty Beauty. I'm super excited to use this, so let's just get started. For the foundation, I'm gonna be using Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte, and this is the first time that I'm using this foundation and I'm super excited. I don't even know about the shade match, but we're gonna work it out even if it's lighter or darker. Oh my god, okay, it is full coverage. Looking at the coverage, it feels super light. Only one thing that I want to say about this foundation, I'm obsessed. I'm going in with this Naked Quickie concealer. I went in with the lightest shade of concealer that I had. If you have dark foundation, use the lightest shade. It just fixes up everything. And I'm also super excited to use this viral contour stick from Fenty Beauty. This is the shade Mocha. Oh my god, I'm contouring my nose like this for the very first time. I'm blending this first because I'm kind of scared. My nose looks so different today. Now just blending in my contour with the beauty blender, and now we are snatched. Now I'm just using this Jaclyn Under Eye Brightening Powder in shade Brightening Pink, and now I'm gonna set my whole face with this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation using this bigger brush, and I'm just gonna pat it all over my face. You need to buy this powder foundation. Now I'm gonna use my favorite blush at the moment from Sephora in shade Date Night, and for the highlighter also I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty. Oh my god, look at that. You need to be very careful when using this highlighter because it's super pigmented. Using Jared Cosmetics eyeshadow base in shade Fair. This helps your eyeshadow color too. And for the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using my favorite Carnival palette from Be Perfect Cosmetics. And I'm only going to play with these blue shades right here. I'm going to make a line right here. That, as I'm simply going to play with this color as I do my eyeliner. I'm just smoking out this line, making it a little bit more sharp. Doesn't matter if it looks like shit right now because everything is going to come together in the end. Now I'm just taking this lighter shades and patting this color right on top of the line that I just made. And I'm also blending the harsh edges together in the process. Now with the help of the smallest angle brush, I'm gonna intensify the wing with the darkest blue shade. Now I'm adding this Anastasia Beverly Hills black gel liner right here, and I'm slowly blending out the black with the blue color. Now I'm gonna add more blue right on top of it, and this is how it looks after blending it for quite some time. And now I'm gonna use my favorite blue from Bare Minerals in shade Sapphire on my waterline, and I'm just patting the blue eyeshadow right on top of it. And now for the mascara, my favorite Too Faced Better Than Sex. Now I'm gonna add lashes, and this is from Velour in Style Sinful. You guys, this lash from Velour in Style Sinful is perfect for this kind of smoked eyeshadow look. Now putting on lip liner from Colourpop in shade BFF3. Now blend it out a little bit with a finger. I'm gonna add this True Gloss from M Cosmetics. I'm just adding a little bit of lip cream from P. Louise. That's it for the look. Now I'm gonna go do my hair and then be back. And I'm back with my hair and jewelry. For jewelry today, I'm wearing Coach, and I hope you enjoyed today's look. Now it's your time to rate this look 1 out of 10 in the comment section below.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong, I just need to carry on. Cause society's a myth, put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give, don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer.
I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.